Hello, my name is Hector. Welcome back, everyone, to Modern Skyblock 3. How's everyone doing? Hope you are doing well. Last episode we did this. We got some cursed earth. Where is it? There it is. We got extra utilities, and I'm very, very excited by it. So, first thing we're going to do today is make one of these. Wireless RF battery. Stores RF energy for wireless transmission. Requires RF transmitters to send energy. Max storage 3200 RF. Requires 4 GP. So here are the things. The wireless RF transmitters. So basically, when you can see, we're using 10.06 grid power now. But if we put energy in that, we can then place these somewhere, and these are wireless, so you don't have to put them on the actual thing. You just have to put them in the vicinity of anything that requires power, and we will transmit RF power. So this is going to be pretty excellent. It means that we don't have to have all of these wires. So actually, let's see if we can do this. Let's get my coin of fortune. And let's get this off. There we go. And if we put that there, is that going to do that? Yes, it is currently. Okay, excellent. Let us. Ow. Yes. Okay. What are you hitting? Is it that? I don't even know. So we don't have to put it on here, but let's put it on here nonetheless. Have I got anything to? No, I don't. Anything to crush. Let's get some cobble. I want to test this. There we go. I want to see if this will keep getting power. So let's just chuck all of that. Oh, and I've got the coin of fortune on. There we go. Let's chuck that. And this is keeping power. So it is getting power from here. So that is, oh, that is nice. That is nice. This is, and you can see actually there you go. It's power draining 4 now. So we're up to 15 out of 45, but that is fine. That is fine. So that's one thing that we're going to be doing today. We're going to come up with a bit of a better power solution. And one of the things that we have to do anyway, we have to make some generators. Now, I don't know if I'll make all of them today, but there's a couple that I want to look at and see and test out. So we're going to see. So one of the first ones I want to look at is the Slimy Generator. You can see a slime ball and a furnace generator, and then I want to also look at the, which one is it? Disenchantment, where Nether Star. Oh, which one is it? I don't know the pink. Oh, the overclocked generator. So we need another furnace generator for that. So 2 furnace generators. So we need 2 machine blocks. So we get 4 from there, and 2 normal furnace generators. So we need 2 furnaces, obviously. Obviously, I don't have any more cobble. I need to hook that up, and we will. We'll get to it. We'll get into it. One thing I just wanted first was we just need some furnaces. There we go. 1, 2. Thank you. So we need some slime, and I have some in one of these drawers. Yeah, there you go. So let's just get a load. How much do we need? We need 1. And then like 5, so that should do us. That should do us nicely. So there we go. And that should. Well, oh, we've not got these yet. We need 2 of these. There we go. So Slimy Generator. Now, hang on. Do we have to do one of these? I'm guessing for that as well. That should. There you go. Excellent. Just in case it didn't do it. So there we have the Slimy Generator. Has that done? Yes, it has. And we need the overclocked one. So what was that again? Lapis and a gold block. Okay, we can totally do that. No, wrong ones. What was it? 5 lapis. We can do 5 lapis and gold. There we go. 9 gold. Excellent. Let us do that. Let's make the gold block. Bam. Overclocked, bam, and bam. Excellent. So we have these. So I want to test them. Let's sleep quickly, just to lighten the mood a little bit and see. Let's also get our wireless battery back right now. There we go. Lovely. But this is going to be such a nice thing. Such a nice thing. Now, I don't know if you can have more than one wireless battery. I don't really know. I don't know how that works. So that, if you pick it up, it ends up back at 0 RF, which is actually pretty good for us, because that's one of the things I want to test is how much this does. So I read on a wiki somewhere, there we go, that these generate a fair amount of RF. So I thought that's what we'd test first. So you can see it's got 0 RF. You can put speed upgrades in here, which I assume will make it burn faster, and you can do a bit of the redstone stuff as well. So now then, interesting, because it did say that would go in, but it clearly doesn't. Why are you not? Why are you not doing anything? What is going on? Does that not do stuff? This surely should be happening. That's slime balls. No. Well, this is a fair oddity. I'm sure. I don't know if I've ever used the Slimy Generator, but I'm pretty certain that this should be working. What I wanted to know is, do I have any other slime ball colours at the moment? Any others? I did at one point. It doesn't look like I might still have any. Well now, let's try a slime block. I don't know. Maybe this has changed. Maybe it's the mod pack that is different. But I'm pretty certain that this should be working. I can't even put a slime block in there. Well, I am befuddled. I am befuddled. Right, let's put you down. So this should be just the standard anything burnable. Anything normally burnable should go in here. So that is doing that, but that has not burnt anything. Oh, there it is. There it is. Yes, it has. You can see that picked up a little bit, and that immediately, I'm guessing, did it go here? Ah, yeah, look at that. Ah, so that's maybe... No, I still don't know why the Slimy Generator hasn't worked and isn't producing anything. But you can see that this basically just immediately obliterates everything that goes in there. I mean, that is astounding how quick that is. So, is this full up yet? That is full. Okay, good. Good. I could have just taken the transmitter off. Is that what it's called? Yeah, the transmitter. So we can sort of see that this actually produces quite a lot of RF, and it's got a buffer of 1 million, which is pretty good. And that's got, what was that, 3200? Yeah, there you go. So that is full right now. I don't understand why this doesn't work. I don't understand. Yeah, I don't understand why that isn't working, because obviously my thought was for some of these, all the slime block stuff is to, well, if we look at the recipe, it's just to put bonsai trees on one of these and make that happen, but that doesn't seem to be working. Alas. Right, so apparently you need to put milk in here as well. There you go. We're getting a fair amount of this now. So how much does that do for one milk bucket? Well, quite a lot already, and that was just one milk bucket. So this is a weird thing. You can clearly tell I've never used the Slimy Generator. I don't know if there's a way for us to obviously we have this, which produces milk. So I don't know if we can plop that on one of these, because basically this produces more power, produces a lot more power, but it burns through everything at such a rate that I don't think like my blaze farm could keep up with this. So this might be the better solution for us. And it said that in the wiki, it said that different slime blocks produce different power, but it does say that blocks can go in. Oh, different slime balls produce different power. So let's just have a look at what slime balls we have. Slime ball. So is that all? Surely we have the other stuff as well somewhere. So we've got pink slime, which is not what I wanted. Let's have a look. Purple. I can't remember what they're called specifically. Purple slime. Like, there it is. Right. It is from Tinkers. Okay. So, according to the wiki, that would give us more RF per tick by quite a degree. Normal slime balls should be about 40, whereas purple should be about 120, if that's correct. Now, slime blocks are meant to be 360, but clearly that don't work for us. So bonsai trees obviously get slime balls. It's a shame because obviously, there you go, you get more slime blocks, 75% chance, but these are still 20, so this might be doable. So I'm gonna see. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set something up and see if we can make this work. So I have set up this ridiculous little system right now, which is working fine. It's totally working. You see, it's got milk in there. This is basically full as is this, which is why this is not doing anything right now. And basically what we've got is we've got the cow in a jar from cooking for blockheads, very slowly making milk, which has been fed into a bottler from forestry. And okay, we're fine. I've only got 2 buckets in there right now. So what happens is once we put a bucket in there, it will fill up with milk. Fill the bucket up with milk. The milk will go in here, and this has got a filter on, so it only takes the full milk buckets and it places them in here. And then here we have a filter for just an empty bucket, which places it back in here. And this, of course, feeds that. You put a wireless RF transmitter on here, and this will basically self-power itself. I think this should be fine. So all we need to do is put a hopper bonsai on here for slime balls, and we're pretty much away. Now, I don't know how sustainable this is going to be. It's a shame about the overclocked, but maybe here and there we can just, if we sort of need a bit more extra power, it might be good. Now, I think right now the only thing that we can have as a battery is the is it? No, it's a capacitor. Yeah, that's whole storage that we can do is the HV capacitor, which is I think 4 million RF, I believe. So I'm going to make one of these as well. So treated wood planks, aluminium, steel, and some lead. One of these I don't have access to somewhere. I'm sure I saw somewhere that I don't have access to something. Oh, maybe not. I'm going to make maybe a couple of those. I don't know. And then we're going to put this somewhere. Now, I don't really know where to put this right now. I might put this down here just above the blaze farm for now. This is all still temporary. And then, yeah, we can start ripping things down. I think that'll be the best spot for it. But this is totally working. But right now, I just don't know how much power this actually gives. It's sort of hard to see without like the old Ender IO capacitors where you could see how much power you're getting per tick. So I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. So I've moved this under here and I've realised I made a grave mistake. This Slimy Generator, at least in this pack, only takes normal vanilla slime balls. So I panicked for a moment, and then I had a look around, so what we could do, and I had a look thankfully at the slime block again, because basically, this here, if we look at the uses for this, one of these turns into 4 slime balls, and now we have the mechanical crafter from extra utilities, so this can be set to always on, and this can basically be set to a thing like that. So one congealed slime block like that will give you that. And actually what I probably need to do is get another one of these basic drawers for this to work. Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? No. There we go. Here they are. Here they are. So this will, I think, provide us with enough power for the moment. Now then. What is that? Oh, that's the... Okay, it's fine. It's fine. That is the hopping bonsai thing and the mechanical crafter looking a little bit weird together. There we go. So, what we need is... we need that to go in there. So... so I'm... oh, no, actually, let's... oh, we're fine. We're fine. We can do that there. If we put you like that there... then we put you on here like that with one of these in here. So the slime sapling will basically just make these. That will go in there. That is that. So if we put one of you there with some pipe coming out of it like that, that should start doing that. Yes, excellent, making that. Phew. And then we can get rid of that, and we just need to hopper those in there. So let's get another item filter, and I'm sure actually there's probably better ways of doing this now, but I just really like extra utilities. So 4 of those. Do we need, I think, 4 of those, something like that, for an item filter? I can never remember the recipe, but we should be able to do this now. Item filter. No, is it just called filter? Filter. There it is. Yes. Ah, it's just the one string. Just the one string. I knew there was some strings somewhere. Now, all of this as well, this will only work during the daytime because of our grid power, which is at the moment only daytime based. We can make some lunar power cell things as well, but we're not quite there yet. So, if we can I get just one of you? There we go. One like that. Push that in there. That is set to whitelist. So that we go there, and that we go there, and that we go there. So this should basically just continually make slime balls. This shouldn't, this shouldn't be that hard to make slime balls. This is all that. I've got a wooden hopper here because that's all we need for right there, and actually that can go there. So this should be a self-contained system for making us power. So the only thing I do not have is and what I could do maybe is move this across and make a capacitor, just so that we've got a bit more of a buffer. So this doesn't seem to want to work. I can't get any RF out of this to put into there. I've tried in different connections as well, and it just doesn't seem to work. This does work, the transfer node energy. It does work to other machines. So I don't know. I don't know how to do that. So I don't know if there's a better way of storing RF power for me right now. I'm not certain. I'm not certain if basically what I should do is get the energy straight out of that, probably. Out of here and put it into here, but I don't think I can do. Well, I mean, we can try it. We can try it now, but I don't think I can do this basically. So that's input there. Let's see if that works. Can we? There we go. That like that. Let's turn you off. Oh no! Now it's doing it. Excellent, excellent. So this is totally working now. Are you producing? Yes, you are. Oh, lovely. Okay, so this is how funny that I've just solved it. So the energy that we get from here will go straight into there, and that now, I don't know if this will connect to here. I mean, this still says it's full. That still says it's full, so you would think it is connecting to the power there. I don't know. We shall see. Otherwise, we can always pump it back into there with another energy node, perhaps. I don't know. As long as that is full, though, to me, that means that this is working. So we should have like a 4 million RF buffer, which is a lot more power than what we've been playing with just from this little setup here. I mean, look at it. Look at it. It is tiny and ridiculous. But there it is. This is totally working. We've got milk there. We've got... This is now full of milk, so all fine. You can see we've got milk coming in there. There'll be... Slowly but surely that will fill with milk at some point. Oh no, this is still going in here. Ah, there you go. It actually just used some. Excellent, excellent stuff. This is all working nicely. We've got more than enough slime balls, so perhaps we could add another one of these at some point. Like maybe put one here so that it could work the same way. That might be an option. Might be an option if we needed more power. But this is filling up nicely. So I think that is all we're going to have time for today. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. Hope you did enjoy it. If you did, a like or comment is very much appreciated. I think our slimy power is gonna serve us well. It's gonna serve us well. So next episode we might do the mob farm. We might do, I don't know, we might move some storage drawers around. I don't know yet. I will see. We'll see how we feel next episode. Also, thank you so much to all my patrons, which you should be seeing some of their names. So thank you so much for watching. I've been Hector. This has been Modern Skyblock 3, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye, everyone. Bye bye.